Institute of Town Planners Indiana sinduna pangthokpa North East Zonal Conference Manipur ahanba oina chingmairong laiba classic grande da pangthokkhare strengthening regulatory compliance and sustainable urban development, prioritizing non-motorized transport NMT walking and cycling amadi urban resilience to climate extremes mitigation and adaptation strategies haiba hiram singda khana nainagadaba conference aduda town planner Nepram Git Kumar Singh, Council Member ITPI, Town Planner Jitendra L. Boble, Secretary General ITPI New Delhi, Town Planner S. Devendra Reddy, Vice President ITPI, Town Planner Pradeep Kapoor, President ITPI, R.K. Dinesh Singh, IAS Principal Secretary Mahud, Government of Manipur Miyoi Singh Asna Saruk Yaduna Pangthokkiba Tharumaduda, Principal Secretary Mahud R.K. Dinesh na haibda Manipur si apikpa state ama oirabasu wathok lanthok marang kaiba state ama suni amadi mahake experience ki matungina thabak ama paikhalakpa matamda kuina chatpa ngamdaba kaya su thoi karigumba state asida mai pakna paikhatkiba development project adudi atopa state sing dasu paikhatpa line ngamhangani maramasna state asi tongan tongan ba development project sing paikhatpagi khwaidigi mafam saba state amasu oiri haiki masidana tana north east region da toina pangthokpa temperature inversion haiba thawng asida mafam asigi hawa nungsit sing mochin hannaba masa ama oiduna leiri amadi leptani hengalakpa mi singna maram amasu oiduna urban development ki thabak sing asi loishinba naidraba wari amagum leiri masigi mathakta urban sanitation urban transport amadi urban infrastructure singdasu akai bagaya piri basina sing asigi conference asina kupna khanaduna afaba chawkhatpa town ama oinaba paikhatpa yaba thabak sing paikhatnaba wafam sing phongtokhi